Goshen CDC, in association with Projects, Events and Planning Committee, presents Cookout 2024 right at the Goshen Postal Agency, Goshen, St. Elizabeth. On Friday, December 6, 2024. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be an event for a worthy cause. We are trying to get the postal agency back together, and we need your support. It's going to be on Friday, December 6, 2024, right at the Goshen Postal Agency, Goshen, St. Elizabeth. Come along, and make we have some nice time tonight. It's December 6, 2024, the Goshen CDC Cookout. You don't want to miss it, right at the Goshen Postal Agency, Goshen, St. Elizabeth. Come along, and make we have some nice